actor when you work with Amir sir or with Junaid. You know, I remember we were working on a scene and there was this one point where Junaid just suddenly came to me and said, तेरा वो shot छूट गया. वो ये एंगल से ना तेरा कटेगा नहीं. I was like, अरे हाँ भाई वो shot छूट गया. So honestly, Junaid, that happens with me with Amir sir all the time. You know, so you don't get just an actor, you get a first AD, you get a production manager. In fact, people come to me and say, "सुन, तूने 7 की shift रखी थी, 2 बज गए, लोगों को भूख लगी होगी." You know, so he's a producer, he's an assistant, he's a collaborator. Of course, he's an actor who knows his lines. You know, he sings sound security group में. You know, he come and tell me, यार, you know, silence बोलते हैं पर cut नहीं बोलते हैं. बाहर वालों को पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप बातें कर सकते हैं. So you know, he's actually in that sense a team player. You know, he's someone who, like Amir passes the ball. You know, so as far as the team wins, he's someone who passes the ball all the time. And I think in that way he's similar. Of course, yeah, like you said, what's all Krishna. That is true. But I think that's also the joy of looking at someone who's very involved. You know, he's come to dub, he's come to edit, he's helped me out with a bunch of things. He would say, "मैं call करके तो हमने करा लेता हूँ, ये हो जाएगा तेरा." You get me locations, he got me some permissions. So I'll tell you which one I was later. But also in that sense, I feel like I got a collaborator. I didn't just get an actor who was involved. I got someone who was a partner in every sense of the film. So thank you, Junaid, for being that. I often call him Junaid Production Khan because he really helped me in production as well.
Well, thank you for that, Advait. Thank you, Bharti ji. We have next question.
Someone is never with me. It's always with somebody else.
क्या बात है?
लेकिन नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. I mean, I've not had an awkward situation because of the phone at all. ऐसी कुछ निष्पत्ति मेरे साथ नहीं हुई.
Amir, on your left?
Yes.
Love advice देते हैं? Junaid को?
नहीं भाई. मैं love advice लेता हूँ. देता नहीं.
हाथ पे हाथ अगर आपकी कुछ love advice नहीं हो Junaid से?
जुनैद से तो नहीं की है मैंने. यार इस वक्त क्या awkward question पूछ रहे हो आप? नहीं मैं लेव एडवाइस नहीं दे रहा हूँ भाई. इस वक्त मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ और लव के मूड में नहीं हूँ. अभी फिल्म देखेंगे तो शायद आ जाएंगे लव के मूड में.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Alex.
अच्छा सवाल था.
Hello.
गूगली था एलबीडब्ल्यू हो गया.
Yes, ma'am, on the center.
Hello, I'm Angelika from Idaho Chronicles, and my question is to Junaid. So I would like to ask you a question. If you have a girlfriend or if you have an upcoming girlfriend, would you like to share your phone with her?
Should we break the news about us?
That also be very safe.
That is beyond. No, but I'm actually not a big user of the phone either, actually. In fact, I'm often, my friends and family are often most irritated with me कि दिन हो जाते reply नहीं किया. In fact, हाल ही में पापा sent me a happy new year message, very sweet message. अभी तक मैंने reply नहीं किया.
अरे मुझे भी
वो मैंने आपको किया. हाँ sorry. So I think most of my phone will just be unanswered messages.
no. Would you be comfortable sharing your phone?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. हाँ, हम लोग सीधे लोग हैं.
Okay. Hi. This is
We do all our cards in person.
Okay, hi, this is Bhavna from India Today. My question is to both Junaid and Khushi. Because both of your first project, the genre was so different as the Maharaj and Archie's as a subject in itself was so different. And then coming together for this film, I want to know from both of you, what was the perception that you perhaps had of each other before coming together for this project? And what did you learn throughout this process about each other as an actor?
That's interesting. What did you think of Maharaj? Have you seen Maharaj?
Yes, I love Maharaj, and I told him when I loved him when it was. And it was a great film. I think what both of us have in common is that both of us like rehearsing a lot. So that's one thing we realized, because this film did take a lot of rehearsing, because most of the film we shot not in the same room because we were on the phone with each other. So the tricky part was the timing of everything. So I think it was great that we were both on the same page with that. We both like to practice and put in the time to kind of perfect something and not just rely on impulse. Yeah, I think that's one thing that was good. I also learned that we both are very introverted and don't like talking. So that's something.
Yes. Yes. नहीं, but also for me जब actually सबसे पहले ये फिल्म लेके मधु सर मुझे मिले थे. He said, you know, there's this Tamil film. Why don't you watch it? I got the rights to make it again. Make it again. तो मैंने फिल्म देखा. मैंने बोला सर फिल्म मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है, but I'm sure you want me for this part. Actually, it's a part that's very far away from what I would normally play.
Your own personality.
My own personality, what I would normally go for.
It's a correct thought actually.
हाँ, what I would normally मतलब go for, like Maharaj is closer as a part to what
Your instinct is.
that on screen. So I was like, I'm sure you want me first. But then I think he definitely wanted me. Advait also seemed pretty certain he wanted me. Why, I don't know. We'll find out, I'm guessing at some point. So yeah, and at that point they were like, we want you with Kushi, and I actually never met Kushi before.
We never really spoke, we never met each other.
Yeah, so I was like, sure, I mean, that's your that's your thing.
Actually, you know, I'm remembering a few things, you know.
जब मैं एक्टर बनने से पहले जब मैं कॉलेज में था, मुझे जितने लोग जानते थे, जब वो सुनते थे कि मैं एक्टिंग करने वाला हूँ, वो शॉक हो जाता, क्योंकि मैं इतना शाय था, मैं कभी किसी से बात नहीं करता था, मेरी नजरें झुकी रहती थी. Used to be a very internal introvert, जैसे both of them, you know, he was saying. So, but I knew what was going on inside me. मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा था मुझे मालूम. I think when I'm observing these two, I feel the same about them. Junaid is very much like that. जब जुनैद ने फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे बोला कि भाई मुझे एक्टिंग सीखनी है, तो मैंने बोला अच्छा. मैं डाउट में था, क्योंकि उसका ऐसे मैं था. He was like that, you know. He was very. He could tell that he could actually light up and give a moment. I couldn't understand that. But I trusted him and we of course supported him, and I would like to say that Kushi, because Shri had that quality. आप श्री को मिलेंगे तो आपको लगेगा वो ऐसे बोर होकर कोने में बैठी है. कैमरा ऑन होगा, धमाक ऐसी एनर्जी आती थी, आपको लगता था क्या हो गया भाई, कौन सा तूफान आ रहा है. So I think that's the quality I'm hoping both of them possess, which I see with the film, that they are very that way introverted, but when the time comes, they come on. So good luck, guys.
I think Advait had that worry also before we did a reading. He had just heard that I was very quiet and shy, and then we did one reading of one scene where I had to yell on the phone, and then after that we said, okay.
Yeah, really, yeah. That Kutte game comes from the like start. Kutte was, I was like, why? What was that? But so they were really hard working. You won't believe, Kushi came, we were shooting with Junaid in Delhi. Kushi came to Delhi to just give cues, because they were on the phone and I didn't want the ADs giving cues. She came all the way to Delhi to just give cues when she gets the timing right. So I think they both really put it.
You know, at this point, I would like to thank the producers here, Madhu, you, Shrishti, Aishwarya, all of you. Sheetal is not here on stage, but I want to thank all of you that, you know, at the end of the day, as a father, I'm very thankful that you have given a great opportunity to Junaid as his first film, and to Kushi, who I'm, you know, attached to emotionally. Thank you, you know, for that. Thank you so much for trusting me. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Our next question, please. Is there a mic already? Oh, it's there. We'll get the mic on. Just give us a second.
My name is Kavita. Firstly, congratulations to the entire cast and crew of Love Yapa. Obviously, like the name suggests, Love Yapa. So the pa has to be here for the promotion of the movie. I love the concept.
I didn't think of that connection, you know, but nice.
So my question is less personal but connected to the movie. Firstly, with like I draw a lot of inspiration and respect Amir sir, Ashutosh Rana sir. My question is with Amir sir. You have, I read in the media that you have taken a pledge अगर ये movie successful होती है, then you will give up smoking. Is what I heard.
नहीं, वो तो मैंने already कर दी. I have given up smoking. Smoking is something I love very much, and it's something I enjoy. क्या बोलूँ, सच बात है. झूठ तो बोल नहीं सकता. इतने सालों से मैं सिगरेट पी रहा था, फिर मैं पाइप पीता हूँ. Tobacco is something I enjoy. It's not good for health. किसी को नहीं करना चाहिए. मुझे बड़ी खुशी ये कहते हैं कि मैंने ये बुरी आदत छोड़ दी है और मैं सारे जो लोग सुन रहे हैं देख रहे हैं उनसे भी कहूंगा कि प्लीज ये छोड़िए, बहुत अच्छी आदत नहीं है, नहीं करना चाहिए। और मेरे लिए ये वजह दिखी तो मेरे लिए अच्छी टाइमिंग भी थी। मुझे लगता था कि मैं अभी छोड़ना भी है और मुझे लगा मेरे बेटे का करियर शुरू हो रहा है, तो मैंने अपने दिल में एक बंधन मांगी कि मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, मतलब चले नहीं चले मैं अपनी तरफ से ये एक चीज मैं अपने एज अ फादर आई वांट टू सैक्रिफाइस एंड आई होप दैट कहीं यूनिवर्स में वो जाके उनका कुछ वो आप लोग प्रार्थना करिए तो but I hope that everyone who smokes should please, आप लोग, मैं कैमरास को भी बोलूँगा, it's a habit which is very bad. इसमें आप शुरू ही मत करिए और अगर कर रहे हैं तो छोड़ दीजिए। बहुत खुश हो गया।
Thank you for your question. There's another